Hey, Keith Ramsey with Garden Supply Company. I wanted to let you know that we're going to be doing videos every couple weeks on beekeeping, various topics, introductory to beekeeping, and then seasonal topics that we can add in with what to do in the hive as the season changes. This will be a we want to be here and support Garden Supply bee customers in the Western Wake Bee Club. The production of this video is a joint effort between Garden Supply Company and then the technical background of Jason Ciarelli, our head beekeeper. Azul will now tell you about more of the videos that are coming up.
Thanks, Keith. Our first video will show the arrival of the nucleus colonies, known as nukes. We provide these to customers and use them ourselves to replenish our colonies. Jason Ciarelli, our head beekeeper, will demonstrate how to install a nucleus hive and provide some pointers on what to do the first few weeks after you install your bees. We'll also do a video on the arrival of our bee packages. Head beekeeper Jason will again show you how to install a package of bees and how to safely introduce the queen. Because hive inspections are a very important part of beekeeping, we will also provide a video to show you the important steps to take in any inspection. Jason will talk you through what to look for on a frame of bees to help you determine if you have a healthy and productive colony. He'll also tell you how to spot that all-important bee, the queen. One of the things we are proud of at Garden Supply Company is our Host a Hive program. The video about the program will go through the details, such as what to expect from your colony, how you can visit your own bees, and when to expect the product of the bees, your honey. One very important video will be on the detection and control of the Varroa mite. We'll show you how to test for mites and what techniques and options you have for dealing with the pests. Also provide you with information on how to decide what method of control is best for you. Another part of the Garden Supply effort to provide beekeeping help throughout the community is hosting the Western Wake Bee Social. It will be a video to welcome all that are interested in attending. And of course, we'll cover pollinator-friendly gardening, making sure to cover the plants that are available and when and how to get started. The video will include a variety of pollinators, including the important monarch butterfly. And never forgetting one of our favorites, the honeybee. All this to say, this shouldn't be a one-sided conversation. We need to hear from you what should be our next topic. Back to you, Keith.
Thanks, Azul. That's just a sample of what we're going to do. Again, we would like your feedback and ideas on what you'd like to hear. We hope you enjoyed the videos and find them helpful, and we anticipate new videos coming out every couple weeks. Thanks a lot from Garden Supply Company.